go run around and you can watch. You can watch that.
Holy shit! It's really. You're right.
Go run up and down the stairs or something.
You're right. That's insane. Woof. Bark, bark. That is fucking weird.
It does better with like up and down kind of movement than side to side. Go run up and down the stairs. There's some people do that.
Oh, what happened? It turned off.
It turns off after 1 minute on the screen, but it's still recording.
Oh, okay, okay.
See if you turn it around. I think if you touch the screen, it might go again. You can see it's still counting.
That's convenient. Okay.
It's just to say battery power, I have it set that way.
Did it really well.
I think when you touch on something, it actually focuses on that. So if you want to focus on a certain thing,
Okay.
it'll do that. I think you can get rid of that focus, so then it'll focus on whatever it's supposed to.
It's
it thinks
beautiful.
It's supposed to focus on.
Huh.
Yeah. Oh, I was gonna do that. Run up and down the stairs there. I see people.
We're going back down. That's impressive. You're right, it does work just like the gimbal. I don't know if Josh knows. I just texted him too.
You send him the video. Well, he can't see what you're doing, but
No.
if you look it up, you can see
No, but,
that
like,
comparison.
It literally works just like it did at Best Buy.
Oh, were you playing with the gimbal?
I did, yeah. It's like, well, he told me about it. I didn't know what it was.
But you can walk in. It's just steady.
Right.
Right.
It's impressive. It's just the camera. You don't even need the fucking stick.
Right. That's like extra weight and stuff.
Right. Like, why buy it?